Cucumbers taste best when you grow them yourself. Growing organic cucumbers in containers is a great way to enjoy their fresh, homegrown. It is also a great choice if space is limited. Growing cucumbers in containers also allows you to better control the heat and moisture levels that the plants are exposed to. Cucumbers need warm soil to thrive and grow. They grow best from around 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. That means cucumbers should be planted in containers after the soil temperatures are at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Only plant cucumber outdoors when the weather warms up, perhaps 1 or 2 weeks after the last spring frost. Soil rich in organic matter is ideal for growing organic cucumbers. Use a good quality potting mix or potting soil or container mix. Cucumbers are heavy feeders, so add a slow-release all-purpose fertilizer into the potting mix before planting. Cucumber is a creeping vine that roots in the ground and climbs up trellises using tendrils. If not supported, it grows horizontally, sprawling along the ground. Adding a trellis to your container is highly recommended. Trellises are a great way to train your cucumber plants to grow vertically and save space. This reduces the likelihood of infection with soil-borne fungal diseases and pests. Cucumbers thrive in light, friable soil. Several inches of organic matter worked into the soil prior to planting helps achieve that goal. Cucumber plants are heavy feeders, so be sure to feed the soil with rich compost or well-aged manure. After the vines develop runners and the first flowers appear, follow up with a side dressing of compost, well-aged manure, or organic fertilizer. The success of growing organic cucumbers depends on consistent and ample watering. Make sure the soil stays moist, not wet. Check this by sticking your finger up to the second knuckle into the soil. If the soil is moist at your fingertip, wait to water. If it is dry, add water very slowly, until it flows out of the drainage hole at the bottom of your container. Just remember when watering, keep the leaves dry to avoid fungal infections due to moisture. Harvest your cucumbers about 55 days after planting. Bigger cucumbers are more bitter, so harvest cucumbers when they're young. Harvest often, because the more you harvest the more you will have. The best time to harvest cucumber is in the morning, before the temperatures increase too greatly. Simply remove the fruit with a sharp knife or secateurs. Don't pull fruit from the vine. This can damage the vine and lead to the plant becoming diseased. One of the joys of the summer garden is slicing up a cucumber straight off the vine and savoring that first crisp, cool bite. Happy organic gardening!